Rajasthan has now put in curbs to deal with the rise in COVID cases. Markets will have to remain closed after 10 o'clock at night, and visitors need to produce a negative RT-PCR report from the 25th of March. Primary schools will have to remain closed. A nighttime curfew has been put into place from 11 o'clock at night to 5 o'clock in the morning in the worst affected areas. Now we have my colleague Harsha joining us. Harsha, night curfew in 8 cities including Jaipur, Udaipur and Ajmer.
Well, yes, given the fact that across India it looks like there is a second wave which is, coming, and Rajasthan also has shown an increase in cases, though of course not an alarming increase in cases, but it has shown an increase in cases. There's been a jump. And that's the reason why, as a precautionary measure, the state government has again put in these curbs. Now, interestingly, anyone coming into Rajasthan will have to have an RT-PCR negative report in the past 72 hours. So that's very, very important for people who are coming in. Because remember, the Holi weekend is going to be coming up, and there will be travelers who will be coming into Rajasthan. So that's something to look out for. Also, it's important to note that Rajasthan actually has done very well on the vaccination front. So it is among the top performing states in terms of vaccination. They have stepped up the drive. But despite all that, the number of cases going up is definitely a cause of worry. And if there are clusters where, COVID is reported, and the government has asked district collectors to also declare them as containment zones and then take all protocol as required. That means the police will not let people from that containment zone then step out. So these curbs are definitely coming into place in Rajasthan.
And Harsha, this is well timed with the festival of Holi just around the corner.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, the Chief Minister has given a written appeal to everybody that please celebrate Holi in your homes and with your family, and don't go around, because remember the last time Rajasthan had a huge surge in cases was over Diwali. So the festivals are definitely something which are celebrated in street corners. You have pujas at various crossings. The Holika Dahan happens the day prior to Holi, and crowds do gather. So they have cut down the numbers, and in fact even for weddings, because the weddings will also start post-Holi, the number is 200. You cannot have more than 200 people in a wedding.
Right. So curbs are being put into place. The big question being, how long will these restrictions remain in place? Harsha, do you have any inkling about that?
Very, very open-ended. Schools and colleges, of course, have not been closed down. It's only the primary classes which are not there, but the schools and colleges which had opened up, they will carry on with COVID protocols in place. So it really depends on how the situation shapes up in the near future. Though, of course, given the economy, the caution will be that total kind of a lockdown doesn't take place, because that is economically very detrimental. And that's why, if you see the order that the Chief Minister has given, factories which have night shifts, factories which are working, they have actually been allowed to operate even through the curfew. So keeping an eye on the economy, but at the same time restraining large public gatherings, I think that seems to be the mood of the government.